Beloved sisters and brothers of the world is passing through a very difficult time. And the root cause is the greed, the anger, the hatred and jealousy and cynicism of Xi Jinping. He has emerged as another Hitler who wants to conquer the world. He knows nothing. Grab, destroy, defeat, massacre, murder everyone and become the Satan, the dictator of the world. And he is doing that. He is creating a lot of problems at the border of India. He tried to grab South China Sea, East China Sea and everywhere. He don't know anything what is to be done and what not to be done. And he is free. He does everything as its sweet will, and there is no control, there is no force which can really stop him. That's why he is becoming more violent, more aggressive, more arrogant, more tyrant, more dictator. I appeal to the heads of the states of the different countries in the world. We want peace. And peace is only possible once all of us unite. Mr. Donald Trump, Mr. Putin, Mr. Boris Johnson, and every head of the state should unite to save the earth from destruction from the Xi Jinping hegemonistic and dictatorial attitude. He has thousands and thousands of nuclear bomb, neutron bomb, hydrogen bomb. He has spread COVID-19, coronavirus to the world, but he is not satisfied. He has killed millions of the innocent lives all over the world, but he is still very hungry and thirsty. He wants to have a terrible bloodshed all over the world, and he wants billions to be killed by his hegemonistic, progressive not, expressionist attitude. Whatever he has done, that was achieved by the cooperations of the sisters and brothers of the world. They purchased their products. He accumulated trillions of dollars. All the great industries were invited to China. They believed bloody Xi Jinping. They gave him the main power, all the power. And he really earned trillions of dollars. And now his mind is totally polluted. He thinks he is the supreme power. He wants to defeat America. He wants to defeat Soviet Union. He wants to defeat everyone. He wants to defeat everyone. He wants to show he is the supreme power. I appeal to the world. Forget your differences. Mr. Putin, Mr. Donald Trump, your differences should be forgotten instantly. I also appeal to the Iranian. Forget your differences with America. There is threat to the world from Xi Jinping, not from anybody else. We all have to live in peace. War can be avoided, but if war is inevitable, like it was done in Mahabharata, unite and uproot the evils of Xi Jinping. That is my appeal. Unite and fight for a noble cause to establish the kingdom of peace on the earth. Xi Jinping is a world threat. He is modern Hitler. That's the appeal. Bottom line. All the heads of the state unite together. There is only one threat and only one dictator, is Xi Jinping. This fool does not know what he is doing. His mind is totally polluted. Greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynicism has goosed his mind, saturated his mind, and he does not know what is the limit. He threat America. He threat Putin. He threat India. Unite with all the devil forces of the terrorist land, Pakistan. If you don't unite, he can blow the whole earth. He has thousands of nuclear bombs. He has planted nuclear bombs on the Everest. How long you can tolerate the dictatorial and the foolish attitude of the Xi Jinping? Unite! Finish this mosquito within twinkling of an eye. We can only defeat evils when we are united. Divided world. Fight against the evil. Putin is gentleman. Donald Trump is good man. Good man. Unite. Focus on your problems of the country. We don't need destructive weapons. We need love. We need positive mental attitude. We need caring, sharing, helping the helpless. All will die one day. What for war? Bloody Xi Jinping will carry even a small piece of the land where he is claiming he is the owner of some 14 neighbors, and yet disputes with something 22 countries. This fool, when he dies, Alexander did not carry a tip of the pin. This idiot can carry anything, but he will destroy everything. World needs peace. World needs affection. World is beautiful and civilized today because great people have given innovations, discoveries. We have conquered time and space. We are so happy today. We have medical facilities, but Xi Jinping is giving us corona. And he will give much more. In his own lab, he has great arsenal of biological weapons. How long we can tolerate this evil? Come on! Unite and fight this evil and devil. If you are Christian, God bless the earth. If you are Hindu, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Sarve Bhantu Sukhina, Atma Sarvbhutesu. If you are Muslim, इंशाअल्लाह इस धरती पर नफरत और नाराजगी को दिल के तक से उतार फेंक और इंसानियत के नाम पर शांति के लिए काम कर. और इफ यू आर बुद्धिस्ट, नो द ट्रूथ. ट्रूथ इज लव, नॉन वायलेंस, काइंडनेस, कंपैशन. ओम शांति. Let peace prevail all over the world. Thank you, viewers.